Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're managing a business or running a startup in 2025, chances are payroll is one of those tasks you want to get right without a headache. Today, we're comparing Gusto Payroll versus Quickbooks Payroll and helping you figure out which platform really delivers the best payroll experience in 2025. So, let's start with Gusto. Gusto has become a go-to for small to medium business because it's built to simplify everything from running payroll to handling employee benefits, tasks, and even onboarding. What makes Gusto shine in 2025 is its automation. Once it's set up, it handles direct deposits, task links, and W2 also automatically. You can even manage contractors, health benefit, and time tracking all in one dashboard. It's a clean, modern, and super beginner friendly. Now, let's talk about QuickBook Payroll. If you are already using QuickBook for your accounting, this one might feel like a no-brainer. It integrates directly with your books, syncing everything from waste to tax, liabilities in real time. The big advantage here is that you keep your financials and payroll all under one roof. In 2025, QuickBooks has really stepped up with features like automated tax, same day direct deposits, and great mobile access. But here's the breakdown. Gusto is perfect if you want to a dedicated, full-featured HR and payroll solution that designed for ease of use and compliance. QuickBooks Payroll is ideal if your financial life is already in lives inside QuickBooks and you want everything tied together from invoices to paychecks. Alright guys, both platforms are solid in 2025, but your choice comes down to what matters more. Streamlined HR with Gusto or tight accounting integration with QuickBooks. Either way, you'll be saving time and staying compliant. If this helps you decide, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on a bell for more quick and honest take comparison like this.